Hi, hello and assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to THT Learning Method. It's me Tanvir Hussain Tawfiq. So today my topic is how to add sound to email, because we know that there is no option to add sound to email to respond quickly to messages from our various buyers. So let's see how can do it. At first we will have to go our Gmail app. So this is our Gmail, and then I will press here. Then I will get the three bar option. I click here and I will get the settings option. So here is the settings option. I will click again. Then this interface will be showing. Here is my some professional Gmail account. If I select one, then I will get the notification sound option. So this is the notification sound option. If I click again, then I will click the see more option. Then I will click the sound option. Okay, here is I will get what I need. I can select my preferred sound from here, and I have another option. If I can scroll, I can see the notification option. So if I click this add notification options, then I can add any quality of sounds from our device. So thanks for watching my viewers for so long, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.